Nikkia Joy Benefit Dandelion Twinkle Highlighter. Nikkia Joy Benefit Dandelion Twinkle Highlighter. Desi Perkinks Marc Jacobs Do You Do Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter. Laura Lee Jouer Powder Highlighter. Alissa Ashley Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Jaclyn Hill Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. Tati Westbrook ColourPop Custom Enhancing Skin Drops. Beauty lover Tati Westbrook is involved with these ColourPop Custom Enhancing Skin Drops. They can be used alone, in the corners of your eyes, on your cupid's bow, or mixed in with your usual foundation or moisturizer to give an all-over glow. They are about Jeffree Star Sleep Makeup Solstice Highlighting Palette. NikkieTutorials ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter. NikkieTutorials ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.